and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Tourist industry is all set to restart. On Monday, the state government finally issued orders allowing operations of casino spas for public from Monday, with 50% capacity subject to adhere to all the COVID safety protocols. The doors to several casinos, spas, nightclubs were open once again. Opening up these activities have shown a big relief to the tourism industry and its dependents. The doors of several casinos, spas, massage centers, nightclubs were opened once again on Monday. Opening these activities have shown a big relief to the tourism industry and its dependent, but a question is also haunting the locals whether COVID will be back.
I feel it is a great move by government. In fact, we were requesting government since June to start all the verticals of the industry, so as the smallest denomination of the industry survive. Because one thing you have to understand that the everybody is affected, and the smallest guys, because they will have a less of our funds, so they are mostly affected. It may be a tourist guide or a musician who is playing, or in and around shops near the casino, or for that matter, taxi drivers, or providing any other tourism related service which they've been providing to the operators. They have been mostly affected. With this opening up, most of the verticals opening up of industry, that will help the tourism industry to survive, because that is a need of our. One thing is to be very clear that we are on survival mode, and whatever is possible, government should do to see that industry survive. Because if we survive, then only we'll be able to revive and thrive, and more opportunities will come in, and the revenue of the government will increase to the tourism sector. So I think this is a good move, and I think this will help overall survival of the industry. As you also aware, a lot of people, like in casino itself, we talk about almost 14,000 plus people working in different part of the casino industry. So that will also help them with overcoming this challenging time. As you are aware, the tourism industry is the worst hit, and it was the first to hit, and it will be last to recover.
देखिए 8 महीने से तो हमको बिजनेस जीरो था, और अभी कसिनो स्टार्ट हुआ है, और गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने टूरिज़्म स्टार्ट किया है, तो उससे हम लोग को बहुत फ़ायदा होगा, और गोवा के टूरिज़्म को भी फ़ायदा होगा, और जितने भी टैक्सी वाले हैं उन लोग को भी फ़ायदा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि गेस्ट टूरिस्ट आते हैं यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे आने की वजह से उनको टूरिज़्म एक्टिविटी बंद होने की वजह से हमारी जो भी गाड़ियाँ हैं वो नहीं चल पा रही। अभी टूरिज़्म स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो अभी इसके बाद में गाड़ियाँ हमारी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी।
तो जो एक क्रीम क्राउड बोलते हैं जिसको, जो गोवा में आता है, वो ज़्यादातर कसिनो के लिए आता है।
ज़्यादातर कसिनो और गोवा टूरिज़्म की जो एक्टिविटीज़ है, जो जैसे वाटर स्पोर्ट है,
अच्छा,
जैसे क्रूज़ है, डॉल्फिन ट्रिप्स है, और जो भी जैसे दूधसागर वाटरफॉल्स है, उसके लिए भी टूरिज़्म आता है। तो ये सारी एक्टिविटी बंद होने की वजह से टूरिज़्म नहीं था। अभी आज से गवर्नमेंट ने खोला है, इसके लिए अभी मेरे ख्याल से इसके बाद में टूरिज़्म बढ़ जाएगा, और हर एक टैक्सी वाले को, हर जो भी दुकान वाला, होटल्स वाला है, सबको बिजनेस मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा।
और ये लगभग कितने समय से बंद था?
ये मेरे ख्याल से अप्रैल एंड से कुछ बंद था, तो 6-7 महीने कुछ बंद था, और 6-7 महीने से एक्टिविटी सारी बंद थी, और टूरिस्ट भी नहीं थे कोरोना की वजह से। तो अभी गवर्नमेंट ने अच्छा डिसीजन लिया है।
A young tourist couple met with a watery grave at Arpora Bagh on Monday early morning. The incident occurred at 5:30, in which their vehicle fell into the creek of Baga and Arpora roadside. Tourist couple dies in a road accident. Car falls in Arpora Creek. On Monday early morning at around 5:30, a young tourist couple met a watery grave at Arpora Baga, in which their car fell into the creek of Baga Arpora Road. The bodies are identified as Shubham Nitin of 28-year-old, Ishwari Umesh Deshpande of 25-year-old. The fire officials said that the team revived two couples' bodies from Baga Creek. The team consisted of firefighters from Pilan, Anil Kolkar, PP Sawan and DC Sinari. The reason of the accident is still unknown, but the car looks like the car was on a medium speed where it fell inside the creek. Goa Mining People's Front convener Puti Gaonkar announced the formation of Mining Dependence Forum, which will fill candidates for assuring the assembly polls and work against the BJP in other constituencies. Puti Gaonkar also said that he will contest against the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant from Saklim constituency only if it will be a straight fight. Puti Gaonkar of the Mining Dependence Forum has announced the formation of the Mining Dependence Forum, which will fill candidates for ensuring assembly polls and work against the BJP in several constituencies. He also added that he will contest against the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant from his own constituency, Saklim constituency, only if it is a straight fight.
या राज्यात दोन पद्धतीच्या लोकांनी चालला. पहिलीचे लोक जे खरंच कार्य करून समाज कार्य करून दिले त्यांच्यानी चाललेले आणि आज जे राज्य चालला ते सगळे हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कोणी काळात हे मायनिंग कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जे असतात आता ते आज राज्य चालवतात. आणि तुम्ही एक हिस्ट्री काढून पळयात 1985 पासूनची हिस्ट्री जर सुद्धा घेतली 2007 पर्यंत 2005 पर्यंत जे मायनिंग चलताले ते मायनिंगाचो रेट $30, $25, $24 अशें त्या डॉलराचेर चलताले. तेन्ना खंय चोरयो करप्शन म्हणजे माल चोरून धरून विकप इल्लिगल एक्टिविटीज करप हें पयलीं केन्नाच जावना. जेन्ना हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर भितर सरले जे आज राज्य सत्तेत आसात त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांनी हांगा करप्शन सुरू केलें आणि आज तेच लोक SIT केल्या म्हणटात, रिपोर्ट येना, निवडून दुसऱ्या जाग्याचेर येतात, दुसरे पार्टीन निवडून येतात आणि मागीर सरकार तांकां सांगता तुम्ही जर हे पार्टी रोलिंग पार्टी जर जॉईन जावंक जाय जाल्यार तुमचे केशी फायल करतले आणि तुमचे जे कितें कॅरियर आसा आमी स्टॉप करतले म्हणून तांकां भिवन धमकी दिवन पयशे दिवन तांकां गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म केले गेले. आज हें गव्हर्मेंट जर गोंयचें जर बरें गव्हर्मेंट जाय जाल्यार बरे कॅन्डिडेट BJP जे आज अंधाधुंद कारभार चल्ला तो जर स्टॉप जावपाक जाय, क्लीन गव्हर्मेंट जर जावपाक जाय, नॉन करप्ट गव्हर्मेंट जर जावपाक जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की लायक मायंडेड जे लोक आसात ते सगळ्यांनी एकत्र येवन ज्या जाग्यार जे विनींग कॅन्डिडेट आसात त्या विनींग कॅन्डिडेटांक एकामेका लोकांनी सपोर्ट करून ते BJPच्या जो कॅन्डिडेट आसात BJPचे जे सत्ताधारी लोक आसात तांकां नेस्ताबूत करपाची आज ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा. आज जनमानसांत एक राग आसा की हांकां आमी निवडून दिले आनी हेंच्यांनी कांयच करूंक ना, फक्त आपली पोटां भरली असो एक राग आसा. आनी लोकांक आज परिवर्तन जाय. तुमी एक लक्षात घेयात, आज गोवा रेव्होल्युशनरी काँग्रेसचे काही नवीन सिस्टम त्यांनी इंट्रोड्यूस केल्या कारणान आणि MGP असे 4 प्रॉमिनंट ग्रुप म्हणजे पार्टीज हांगा काम करतात, एक लोक हे काम करतात आणि तेंच्यांनी गोंय टिकोवपा खातीर पार्टिक्युलरली RG जे आसात आपाचे एक धोरण वेगळें करून ते आसात आणि ते आज हांगा इलेक्शन लडोवपाचे तयारीन आसात. म्हाका सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट करपाचें आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक मायनींग सायडीन हे फावटीक आज आमी हांगा डिक्लेअर करतात डिपेंडंट फोरम हो आमी फॉर्म करतले. म्हणजे आज तो डिक्लेरेशन आज जाल्लें आसात आणि ह्या फोरमाच्या अंडर मायनींग डिपेंड जो एरिया आसात 20 ज्यो एसेंब्ली सेगमेंट आसात थंय BJPच्या अगेन्स्ट आमी आमचे कॅन्डिडेट दवरतले, एक फ्रंट करून दवरतले आणि ज्यो बाकीच्यो पार्टी आसात त्यो पार्टीक आमी रिक्वेस्ट करतले की ज्या जाग्यार आमचे कॅन्डिडेट स्ट्रॉंग आसा, आमचे कॅन्डिडेट मायनींग आमचे डिपेंडंट लोक निवडून दितले तांकां तुमी सपोर्ट करात. तुमी ज्या जाग्यार स्ट्रॉंग आसात थंय आमी तुमकां सपोर्ट करतले आणि BJPचे जे सरकार आसा, BJPचे प्रेजेंट गव्हर्मेंट आसा ताका आमी परत धाडपाची गरज आसा. कारण तुमकां लक्षात येतलें मी परत येईन हो एक स्लोगन तुमी महाराष्ट्रांत आयकला. आज महाराष्ट्रांत गोंयांत असो स्लोगन दिवपी येयला पूण ताका आमी स्लोगन प्रती दिवपाचे आसात की मी परत जाईन, हो ताका स्लोगन आसा गोंयच्या.
The Bombay High Court at Goa on Monday adjourned the appeal filed by the Goa government against the acquittal of senior journalist Tarun Tejpal in a sexual assault case to October 27, when the matter would be heard virtually. Now, the Bombay High Court at Goa on Monday has adjourned Tarun Tejpal case to 27th of October, wherein They adjourned the appeal filed by the Goa government against the acquittal of senior journalist Tarun Tejpal in a sexual assault case to October 27, when the matter would be heard virtually. Here are the highlights. The hearing was adjourned for October 27th as Advocate General A.G. Devidas Pangam and a counsel appearing for Tejpal asked for the next date. Justice Sonak said that the court will set up facility of virtual hearing in the case next date. Journalist Tarun Tejpal has sought in-camera hearing of the Goa government's petition against a session court order that granted him bail in 2013 rape case. Advocate Pangam said that the hearing was held today to decide about the next date. On the 31st of August, the court had adjourned the hearing to September 20th. Earlier last month, Tejpal, in a submission before the High Court, sought an in-camera hearing for the Goa government's petition challenging the acquittal. However, the Goa government objected to this appeal, saying the country has the right to know how the institute dealt with the victim. The Goa government had filed a plea against additional session court judge Kashma M. Joshi order acquitting Tarun. On Monday, TTAG has submitted a memorandum to the Minister of State, the independent charge of Ministry of Tourism, G. Kishan Reddy, demanding to relief and some financial relief from the government due to the adverse impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. TTAG has also demanded to restart charter, travel bubble, and e-visa, as Goan charters constitute almost 92% of India's charter business. The Travel and Tourism Association of Goa has submitted a memo to the Union Tourism Minister to restart charter and travel bubble and the visa services. On Monday, they submitted a memorandum demanding to relieve a government scheme and also relief to the adverse impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. TTAG has also demanded to restart charter, travel bubble, and e-visa.
So I think with the tourism, most of the segments opening up, it will be good for the industry. As of course, we are waiting for announcement of from the government of India opening up of a visa for foreign tourists. Of course, they are going to provide free for 5 lakhs, which is again a welcome step. And opening up of a charter flights, if not on the regular, at least on the bubble charter flights for the international tourists, which we are requested government to start at the earliest. Today also we had the opportunity to meet Minister of Tourism with independent charge Government of India, Mr. Shri G. Kishan Reddy, and we have made him a representation for the opening up of the industry and different points which can benefit the tourism industry, not only in Goa but throughout India, how it can benefit. So we have given them a few points also, and he has promised that they are looking into it more positively. Of course, because of this Corona times, the times are very challenging, and opening up of industry, and if cases go up, then it will be challenging. So they understand the challenges which our industry is facing, especially Goa is facing, because Goa today major industries besides pharma is tourism. So, and more people are involved in tourism, almost to tune of 1,40,000 directly, indirectly work in the industry. That comes out to almost 6 lakhs people depend on the income from the tourism industry. So with all this, they also understand the challenges which we are facing, and we are hopeful that some positive will come. And Goa government will also look into the relief part, which we have been requesting for last few months.
Rumdamal Dawarli is the first village panchayat to have 2 tons capacity of garbage treatment digester at its garbage treatment plant. On Monday, a new garbage treatment plant was inaugurated at Rumdamal. This plant is built with the funds received by the panchayat through the 14th finance scheme. Rumdamal Dawarli is Goa's first panchayat to have 2 tons garbage digester in their plant. On Monday, this plant was inaugurated. This plant has been built with the funds received by the panchayat through the 14th finance scheme. Watch.
नावेली जोरी तरी बायाविता सांगू सोदता 5 पंचायत आहे 5 पंचायतांमध्ये हाऊसिंग बोर्ड रुमडामोळ इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पंचायत आणि डिफिकल्ट पंचायत एकठांय कित्याक आमकडे गार्बेज इश्यू व्हडलो इश्यू दिस इज 20,000 above square meters is full of garbage right now. Sewerage issue is a big issue. जो gutter सफाई is a big issue. In other words, maintaining cleanliness is a big issue. Family वाडूच पडटा, कोण वाडून भाड्याकूय दिताय. Because and their garbage is just thrown on the roadside. आमी जोरी तोरी आमगेल वाठार साफ दवरतले, we will have to first learn discipline ourselves. देखून आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना बरें पावल फुडें पडटा, and please note this is the first panchayat in the state which is having 2-ton garbage digester.
पण 99% सुट्टलो कित्याक जाणा 20 ऑगस्टा ही मिशनरी येयल्ली पूण आमी रोखडेंच इनॉग्रेशन करूं ना. ते कंपनीच्या मनशाक हाडले, आमी डेमो केलो 1 म्हयनो. आयज आमकां सारको 1 म्हयनो आसा. डेमो करून कशें सारें काडटा तें बी सगळें पयलें, तुट्टा हें तें सगळें पयलें आनी आयज आमी इनॉग्रेशन केलां. तुमी पयलां आसतलें पयल्यान कितलो कचरो आसतालो, पयलींचो आनी आतांचो फरक खूब डिफरंट आसा. सो आमी 99% जरी शुअर आसा की आमचो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातलो.
आणि ती पळय रस्त्याच्या
फक्त एक कितें भायरच्या लोकांनी आमकां कचरो हाडून उडोवपाक जायना.
आणि पळय रस्त्याक कुशीक जी पळय गार्बेज येता पळय तेचेर तुमी कितें करपाचें केलां आतां
ना
फुडें?
आमी तेणी काडीत आसा.
मागता की तुम्ही हे पैसे यूज करचे आणि तुमकां दुसरो मागीर आतां सुटीन फाल्यां तुमकां आनी एक इन्स्टॉलमेंट येवपाचें आहा न्हू, ते तुमी पैसे यूज करा. आमच्या पंचायतीन बरें काम केलां. गार्बेज जो प्रॉब्लेम आसता तो सॉल्व जाला, डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन जाता. आणि चड हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा की गार्बेजी खातीर काम करपी मनशांचे हे मनीस मेळना हांगा आनी आमचे गोंयकार काम करना. सो त्या लोकांक आमी शाबासकी दिवपाक जाय. ते लोक गार्बेज काडटा आमी तांकां कचरो व्हरपी लोक येता अशें म्हणटा आमी, पूण कचरो आमी करता आनी कचरो व्हरपी लोक येता अशें आमी तांकां म्हणटा. एक्चुली तांकां खरेंच देव बरें म्हणून म्हणपाक जाय, कितें पयशे दिले म्हणून कांय गोश्टी जायना. दुसरी गोश्ट आमचे नावेली मतदारसंघात अशे बाकीचे पंचायती आहात तेंच्यांनी आमच्या आमदारान तांकां फुडें काडून हे बाकीचे पंचायतीचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जावपाक जाय.
The Archdiocese of Goa and Daman celebrated Vocation Sunday. Vocation Sunday is a day aside of all the members of the church to reflect upon God's calling in their life. Well, the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman celebrated Vocation Sunday. Vocation Sunday is a day set aside for all the members of the church to reflect upon God's calling in their life. Families play an important role in promoting vocation to priesthood and religious life. For all, we called to serve Christ in the world.
पुलीस खातीर मागणें गरजेचें. थ्रू प्रेयर वी कॅन डिसन द कॉल ऑफ गॉड. मागण्या वरवीं आमी डिसर्नमेंट करता, विवेक करता. आमचे जिवितान बरी तत्वां आमच्या कुटुंबांनी जेन्ना आमी एक भाशेन शिंकता तेन्ना थंयसरूय एक फावो तसलें वातावरण निर्माण जाता. जशे परी आमी आमचो सांत जुझेवास ताचे कुटुंबान जावं मागणें आसलें, पवित्र पुराण वाचप आसलें, सांता भक्तांचें जिवीत वाचप आसलें, तातूंतल्यान हें ताचें आपोवणें फुलून आयलें. तेच भाशेन कुटुंबान दुसऱ्या वस्तूंक आमी जायते फावटी अदीक मोल दिता, संवसारी वस्तूंक अदीक मोल दिता. संवसारी वाटेन जायते फावटी आमी तांचें मोल ओडटा. पूण ह्या व्हडट्या आपोवण्याचे बाबतीन टू शो द मॅग्नानिमिटी, द नोबलनेस ऑफ दीस वोकेशन आमी कितलो लेगून भर घेता जाय. ह्या विशीं आमी जावं आवय बापूय जावं वडिलांनी हाचेर आमी अदीक लक्ष घालूंक जाय आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक देवाच्या आपोवणें शिकूंक आनी ते वाटेन आपली पावलां मारूंक आमी तांकां आमचो तेंको दिवंक जाय.
Open your ears, open your eyes, open your minds and look out. God is speaking in many, many ways. In the Old Testament, we find God speaking in different ways through the nature. But now also He can speak through the nature because through miracles He speaks through us. But most probably and most importantly, He speaks in our daily lives, in simple situations like through a friend, through a counselor, through your parents, through your own small friend, your own colleague. So look out for God's call. He'll be calling you through ordinary people.
So how can one discover such a call?
You can discover God's call by first of all being rooted in the family. And speaking about family, we say that the family and the parish is the cradle of priestly vocation. So in the family, through the prayers, through the word of God, and through good service, that's how we discover our vocation, and that's how we can come to know that God is calling us.
The Indian Meteorology Department has informed that there is a likelihood of an increase in the rainfall on the 21st of September, that's tomorrow, Tuesday. The IMD has also issued a warning of yellow. Strengthening of the western north-westerly winds over the west coast is very likely from around 21st of September.
In this year, in 2021, we are not expecting that much excess rainfall to happen in the entire season. अभी जैसे ही rainfall season end होने में around 11 days are there. We are expecting the normal rainfall activity to continue even in these remaining days. Light to moderate rainfall is going to continue, and the seasonal total will be near or around normal itself in this particular season. और आज के दिन का अगर सिग्निफिकेंट वेदर सिस्टम के बारे में हम बोलें तो देर आर टू सिस्टम्स, टू सर्कुलेशंस एक्सिस्टिंग. वन इज ओवर ईस्ट राजस्थान एंड साउथ वेस्ट मध्य प्रदेश, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज नियर ओडिशा, साउथ वेस्ट ओडिशा, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बांग्लादेश कोस्ट. तो ये जो सेकेंड मेंशन सिस्टम जो है बांग्लादेश, उड़ीसा और वेस्ट बंगाल के कोस्ट के आसपास, ये सिस्टम जो है आने वाले दिनों में उसका वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट इज़ लाइकली. तो चांसेस है कि आने वाले 21 से और अराउंड 20 लेट इवनिंग से गोवा और पूरे वेस्ट कोस्ट में वेस्टर्ली नहीं तो नॉर्थ वेस्टर्ली विंड्स स्ट्रॉन्ग होने का, विंड्स विल पिक अप सम स्पीड. एंड अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे पिछले 2 से 3 दिन के रेनफॉल से, तो 21 सितंबर से compared to that higher rainfall activity is going to take place. और 21 सितंबर को एक या दो जगह पे नॉर्थ और साउथ गोवा के ऊपर हेवी रेनफॉल यानी कि रेनफॉल एक्सीडिंग 6.4 सेंटीमीटर्स इन 24 आवर्स, वो हेवी रेनफॉल भी एक या दो जगह के ऊपर 21 सितंबर को मिलने के चांसेस हैं. और रेनफॉल की जो स्पेशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो भी इम्प्रूव होगा फ्रॉम 21 से 21, 22 और 23 को भी हम इम्प्रूव्ड रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं ये सिस्टम के कारण. तो प्लीज़ बी अपडेटेड विद द वार्निंग्स IMD is issuing in these coming days. In short, rainfall activity is very likely to increase from around 21st of September. Heavy rainfall is likely at 1 or 2 places over North and South Goa on 21st, and please be regularly updated with the warnings IMD issues in coming days.
And here are the glimpses of the Matsa Sarvajanik Ganesh Visarjan and Anant Chaturthi.
गजानना पार्वतीचा नंदना मोरया गजानना.
Thank you for watching HCN. That's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more alerts, please do follow us on O Heraldo at Facebook and on Twitter. Until then, goodbye.